In this video, we're gonna download and install 3ds Max, Autodesk 3ds Max on our computer. Now, what is 3ds Max? It's essentially a 3D modeling and rendering tool. You can see here just a sneak preview, and in the next videos we're gonna explore all the interface and the basic tools, and then we're gonna move on into more complex topics. So this is just to show you quickly how it's gonna look like in your computer, and this is the latest version at the moment. So first of all, you can buy 3ds Max for 1 month or for 1 year. This is a really professional tool, and the prices are a little bit high, but I think it's the most popular and also complete 3D modeling software out there. Now, there are similar software. If you just look for in Google, you can see there you can use Maya, which it's well, it's a little bit less expensive if you buy the light version of Maya. And then you also have Blender, which is totally open source, and SketchUp, which is specific for architecture and like simpler shapes and not really complex modeling. You can also use other software like Cinema 4D, and Rhino is for NURBS modeling instead of polygonal modeling. So you have many options. If you have like doubts or you want to ask some questions, you can do it in the comments so we can try to help. So if you want assistance, just type in the comments anything you want that it's about this topic. So let's move on. You can buy 3ds Max. You can also get the trial version. So you can look for 3ds Max trial, and it has like a 30 days trial. Let's see here, just quick. The page is just click there, download the free trial. You need to fill some modules, you need to fill some fields, and you can then download it real quick. Or you can also go for the education. If you are a teacher or a student, you can get the 3ds Max education and student access. There you go. So you can do pretty much everything here on the official website. You can see also many examples of 3ds Max, and just gonna show you here real quick what you can do with 3ds Max. You can create assets and 3D models for video games, for movies. You can do video effects, visual effects for video editing. You can do architecture, interior design, landscape design, industrial design, packaging. You can also prepare your models for prototyping. You can print in 3D your 3D model, and you will have all the tools that you need for 3D polygonal modeling, and also a little bit of NURBS modeling you can do with 3ds Max, and you can do a little bit of sculpting. You can do animation, really complex animation with particles or with characters, and so it really has everything. I think this is the most, again, popular and complete software out there, and also probably the most expensive. So you will get like everything in one package. So this is why it costs a lot, and it's also has Arnold as a renderer right now, which is a pretty advanced and real-time render. So it's you can do everything within 3ds Max without installing, for example, Corona or V-Ray, which are other types of render engine. So you can create lights, you can create materials, you can create environmental effects, and build your realistic rendering. You can do really realistic rendering in 3ds Max and Arnold, again, which is the render engine, the default render engine now in 3ds Max. So if you want to check the full features, just go in the website here. You will find all the new features and the other features that are in the software. And when you're ready, you can then download it or buy it or use the free trial, whatever you want. So when you are ready, you made your decision, you can go there, click download free trial, fill everything you need to fill, and then the downloaded file will be, there you go. You need to just go through all these different pages and give some information, and you will find the installation file in your download folder. And I'm going to show you here how it will appear. So you can see that I have, well, other stuff here, but this one here is the installation. So you just need to double click there and go through the wizard. It's a really simple wizard, so I will not show you all the steps, but essentially you can just go forward and install it with the default settings, or you can customize a little bit the settings, like the installation folder where you want to install it, and if you want to install additional tools and features inside. For example, you have the possibility to have interoperability with Revit, which is another Autodesk software, which is for architecture and BIM, so BIM design and management of architectural projects. You can decide if you want material library. I will suggest yes, install everything you can if you want. In my case, I don't need Civil View or Inventor, but if you work with those, you can also install these extra tools. And also we have Substance. So you have tools concerning Substance. So if you want to import Substance material in 3ds Max, or you want to convert, let's say, Corona materials or V-Ray materials into Substance material and all these things. So you have extra features concerning Substance if you want. And then when you're finished, in this case, you can see I have already installed it, so it's not asking me anything. So just in your case, probably need to go forward, install, and that's it. So within minutes, you should have everything. You will have to download it, and then it's gonna be installed in your computer. So you just double click on the icon that's gonna appear on the desktop, or just search it in the start menu, and there it is. This is 3ds Max 2023, and we're gonna do more videos and lessons about 3ds Max. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel. If you want to give us some support in order for us to make more videos and guides and other with 3ds Max and other software. By the way, you can check our channel if you're looking for something. Use the search bar. We have a lot of video courses about many 3D software and many video guides that will be really helpful for you. And again, write your comments, questions, ask for assistance if you need it. And that's it. So join the channel if you want to become a supporter, so you can support our work. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.